Torrential slide value equivalent to 306.42 rands a coin. The present cost range, 300.84–318.68. The earlier day close, 313.31. The change was 6.89, 2.20%. Reverse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. Torrential slide figure on Monday. April 3, cost 325 rands, high 348, low 302. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4, cost 316 rands, high 338, low 294. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. April 5, cost 321 rands, high 343, low 299. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. April 6, cost 318 rands, high 340, low 296. Torrential slide gauge on Friday. April 7, cost 301 rands, high 322, low 280. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. April 10, cost 317 rands, high 339, low 295. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. April 11, cost 305 rands, high 326, low 284. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12, cost 321 rands, high 343, low 299. In about 14 days torrential slide gauge on Thursday. April 13, cost 305 rands, high 326, low 284. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April 14, cost 319 rands, high 341, low 297. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday. April 17, cost 306 rands, high 327, low 285. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost 339 rands, high 363, low 315. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. April 19, cost 340 rands, high 364, low 316. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost 308 rands, high 330, low 286. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday. April 21, cost 320 rands, high 342, low 298. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost 332 rands, high 355, low 309. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday. April 25, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April 26, cost 363 rands, high 388, low 338. In about a month torrential slide figure on Thursday. April 27, cost 380 rands, high 407, low 353. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April 28, cost 354 rands, high 379, low 329. Torrential slide figure on Monday. May 1, cost 330 rands, high 353, low 307. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for walk 2023. Initially cost at 313 rands. Excessive cost 347, while low cost 257. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 310. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 324. Change for spring 3.5%. Torrential slide figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 324 rands. Exorbitant cost 407, while low cost 280. But found the middle value of cost 341. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 354. Change for April 9.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 354 rands. Exorbitant cost 360, while low cost 300. But found the middle value of cost 334. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 323. Change for May 8.8%. Torrential slide estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 323 rands. Exorbitant cost 401, while low cost 323. But found the middle value of cost 356. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 375. Change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 375 rands, exorbitant cost 375, while low cost 293. The found the middle value of cost 340. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 315. Change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 315 rands, exorbitant cost 315, while low cost 246. The found the middle value of cost 285. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 265. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 265 rands, excessive cost 321, while low cost 265. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 288. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 300. Change for September 13.2%. Torrential slide figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 300 rands. Excessive cost 306, while low cost 266. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 290. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 286. Change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 286 rands. Excessive cost 286, while low cost 223. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 259. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 240. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 240 rands. Excessive cost 297, while low cost 240. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 264. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 278. Change for December 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 278 rands. Excessive cost 278, while low cost 218. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 252. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 234. Change for January 15.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 234 rands. Excessive cost 234, while low cost 183. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 212. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 197. Change for February 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 197 rands. Excessive cost 197, while low cost 153. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 178. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 165. Change for spring 16.2% ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3263 coins per 100 rand. The present reach 0.3138 minus 0.3324. The earlier days nearby 0.3192.